Today we saw that how we can integrate any admin template into the Laravel. Okay, the first video it is like that. Second video I explain how you can split all the code. It's a top menu, side menu, footer, content page, and all. Check the both video, then you will understand easily. So now I am going to explain one more dashboard, then you will understand easily. Okay, how you can do that? You can download any dashboard admin page like that. So I already downloaded. Okay, then you have to go to the public page and you have to create a one folder, asset folder. So we already create a admin. Now I am going to create a folder name is admin2. Okay, so go to here and public, and folder name is admin2. Okay, so file name is created. This one we don't need. Okay, so file folder name is created. Then what happened, we need to go to that our downloaded template files, right? You have to go here, and this is I'm downloaded. Okay, so you need to copy all the files. We don't need this index files, reminder, screenshot. So this all asset for this new dashboard. Copy here and go to this our Visual Studio Code and paste here. Okay, so I pasted. So this is the image is coming, index page, order.js, CSS. This is for the new dashboard styles. Actually we don't need two kind of dashboards. For training purpose I will explain how you can do that. This is we done it right. Now I need to make it a view file for the dashboard view file. Okay, for here view, and I am going to make it dashboard dashboard.plane.php. Okay, the name is already exist, so I am going to create a dashboard 2. Okay, finished. So what you need to do this, and go to here and the index page. So this is our second dashboard as a page, right? Here is index page, and go to bring the Visual Studio and copy all the code to here and paste it. Okay, finished. So after paste, this is the order.js, this is the index. So this asset where it is in that public admin2. So for that we have to integrate it, double curly braces, and asset open bracket, then what is the name, admin2. Okay, slash, then here single colon, close bracket, double curly brace. Okay, the same like that you have to copy and paste. This one copy and paste. So, and in the top also you need to do this. This is a CSS file, right? So here, sorry, paste here and paste here. So better I will make it curly process asset single quotes admin 2 slash, then here single quotes, close bracket, curly brace, like that, same like that. Here there are some images as well, you have to do same like this. You have to copy and paste here. Okay, then this also you need to copy. Okay, copy and paste here. So I already done everything. So what you need to do this, copy, paste, same like that, code, finished. So what you done is everything is finished. So how we can call this one, go to here and browser, go to check browser. This is the previous template, right? Now we want to make it a separate URL for this dashboard too, and we will call it. How we can do that, go to the here and go to controller, dashboard controller. Okay, app controller, dashboard controller. I am going to one more function. Okay, function name is dashboard 2, like that we can call. Okay, public function and dashboard 2. Okay, then open like close bracket, curly braces, return view and dashboard. The file name is view file name is dashboard2. Okay, so dashboard2. Okay, okay, finished. I hope it will work. So this URL, go to the router and we have to configure. Okay, this router file web dot here, then we need to configure that URL. So route colon get dashboard. This is the URL name. We can call it any name. I call it same like the dashboard2 comma array. So same controller, dashboard controller colon class. Then what is the function name is same dashboard2. Finish. Okay, come to here, copy this URL and go to your page. This is the dashboard1 and this is the dashboard2 colors. Everything is okay, right? Here it is white, this is the dark. So this will work for you. So now you will clearly understand how you can integrate any dashboards or any admin template to Laravel. So follow the videos. I will explain more videos from the basic to advanced. Okay, thank you.